Welcome to the Creative Wandering Duo with Dave and SandraZ-FiberArtist.
Hey everyone, howdy again from the shop. Dave here of the Creative Wandering Duo. Progress on the jewelry box. Well, got the roof on, done and on. It's not mounted. I need some hinges, but it took a little bit of trickery. I had to stabilize it because well, this board is man-made board. Sorry about all that. Is a little bit well, when you add moisture to it, it creates issues. It wasn't sitting flat after I got the shingles all on and all that, so I had to add the board underneath of it to sat it all down, flatten it out, but it's good. It's good. And now I'm working on the front face. And I'm going to add some strapping, pieces of strapping like that. One on the top, one on the bottom, like this. And then 4 pieces like this here, you know. And those are going to be, what do you call them? Posts for the front end, like for the front, and then painting windows and door windows and what have you not here. So in order to make up these pieces here, cut them down on the bandsaw from bigger stock, of course. And then it's to plain smooth them out, and this is what I devised to do that. It's belt sander. Yeah, that's what it is exactly. And it's a thickness sander. Belt sander in a jig, holding jig, and just run this through. There's a little bit of a lip in there that goes on there. Belt sander goes around and you just push it through. Works lickety split. Just to show you one. That one I've already done up. It's ready for glue up and stuff like that. So set that down, and I don't know where I can put this so you can get a good view on all this fantastic action here. Maybe if I just rearrange some stuff here. I don't need that up there. That can go over here too. And various projects going on at the same time here, kind of. Now let's see here. Should be able to see what's happening just like that right there. Okay, belt sander is plugged in. Put your earplugs in, safety glasses on, safety equipment in use, and let's go. And that's how I do it. Sweet. It's the measuring device here. I wanted an 1/8 of an inch thick. Set it up for an 1/8 inch, and there we go. We have an 1/8 inch. Just, yeah. Make sure that when you build your jig, however you want to do it, that it will support your belt sander at a 90-degree angle here. And this does have limits, I mean, obviously, but quick, simple, does the job that you want done for this kind of stuff. For me anyhow, it's sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So when I get more done, I'll bring you back to see. Bye now.